Hi, Joanne with Broadcast Sunny here, and tip 2, right on the journey. Planes, trains, and automobiles, right on the journey, of course, as a passenger, not as the driver. On my first year on NaNoWriMo, I had a 7-hour round-trip for Thanksgiving, because you're supposed to write on Thanksgiving as well. You got to get those words in, 1667, and I brought a Chromebook, which at the time would allow you to do offline writing. It stopped it, but I hear it brought it back, which is nice. I'll have to check that out. That Chromebook still works, and that was 6 years ago. But so I packed away in the car. I had one of those lap desks. I got the words in for the day. I think it was a little short, but that was okay. I made it up. But remember that typing at home or in your regular writing spot in an hour, you're going to get more words in than when you're traveling. Keep that in mind. I get car sick easily, and so I stopped. Now I did learn that you can get over car sick, so I kept this in mind, and that helped. So you want to write on the journey, but remember you're not going to get as many words in as you would at home. So keep that in mind.